Welcome back, everybody. Don Antonio here. Today we are going to be opening our second ETB Crown Zenith. Also, guys, we also have all these other boxes that we're going to do in a separate day. Alright, let's get into it. Second Crown Zenith box. We're going to need that. Alright. Whoa. Okay. Done. Alright. Packs. And we got a... Oh, there's promo. Promo's right here. Another one. Okay.
Lucario.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright.
So the last video, in the last ET box, Antonio called out before we started ripping that he wanted Rayquaza VMAX. Yeah. Guess what? If you guys are following and watch the video,
we pulled it. He
actually pulled it. It was pretty dope. So what are we trying to chase today?
Alright, hold up. Let's take a look. I'm gonna take a look. Oh hey, there are Charizard.
We're getting that Charizard V.
And a Charizard VMAX.
Just hit that Charizard, guys.
Hold up. We gotta get that Pikachu secret art.
Oh yeah, it's pretty sick.
Yeah, Pikachu secret art. Oh wait, go back. We got this one. Okay, let's open it.
Dude, this set has some pretty dope art. The Mewtwo VMAX or V-Star.
Oh yeah, that's sick.
But if I could pull that Charizard, I retire. I think I mentioned that in another video.
Card, a Pokemon catcher, Bisharp, Digging Duo, Rockruff, Purloin.
I got the same pack. Love Disc, Chatot.
Wait, this might be
Yammer.
a packaging. Wait.
Meowth. Oh, bro!
Yo!
We got one. I can retire now. Finally, show them.
How? Actually, I don't even think that he'll retire. Okay, we got Energy.
Dude, that Charizard V-Star.
Energy Switch.
We pulled that
Charizard?
Radiant Charizard.
Yeah.
On the collection box.
Yeah. Carvine.
Alright, let's go.
Rockruff. Aeron. I got nothing. Riolu. Starly. Oh my gosh. We got another Skyther. And then we got a reverse Mr. Mime. That's it.
Pretty sick.
Pretty sick. Alright. Oh, ooh, open it up.
Oh, I got something.
Yo! He got a Huishin Voltorb full art. Actually, and we just got yeah. Alright.
A little hit.
Put some heat.
You know, we'll price them out later.
I have to open it from the bottom. Alright.
Oh, I got a black card.
Energy. Frenzen, Huishi. Luxio. Oh, I got nothing. Croak. Pancham. Switch.
Let's go. I'll wait for you.
Snorunt, Larvista, Tangela.
Oh, that's a cool one.
We got a reverse Amazenta. And we got a Lane Croak.
And Dad has something.
Yo, V-Star! Yo, what?
A V-Star Zoroark.
Yo.
Dude, that art's pretty sick.
I know, that's like sick.
Dude.
And then he got a V, back to back.
We got the Charizard V!
Yes!
I think I'm retired.
No.
If you call it, you get it. See? Sick. Back to back. Oh. I'm done, guys.
Alright.
Hang it up. No more,
Alright, give me my...
No, bro, I get to... Let me finish the
No,
pack.
you said you're retired.
Let me get those last three.
Mm.
Jeez, bro. Alright, no more Frankensons. Dude, big hits.
I don't want you to retire.
We got the Charizard, bro.
Say no in the comments to say no in the comments to
For the retire.
no. Yeah, say no for the retire because that's ridiculous.
Dude, we need the Charizard VMAX.
I know.
Bro, we hit it.
I know. You're done after this. No
Maybe.
more.
We'll see what the comments say.
I don't want you though. I don't want you to. Or else I'm gonna be sad. What are you laughing?
Let's do it. Did that cheat? Oh, I'm cheating again. I got something.
We got an energy. Frenton Huishi. Energy Ball. Kokroak. Wellimer. Shinx. Corpfish. Parwine. Seal. Hey, yo, we got Shiny Energy. And a Yangama. Alright,
You ready, babe?
let's leave it. Reverse.
Reverse. IB grubbin. We got something cool.
It's
Last
a
card.
V-Star.
What is it?
Sincere Beast. Ah.
Bro, colors are cool on this too. Anybody out there pulling this Crown Zenith?
Yeah.
What are you guys pulling? Leave it in the comment.
Okay, we got Energy. Carvine.
Oh my.
Crushing Hammer.
Oh, nothing.
Shaman. Energy Search. Grubbin.
IB grubbin.
Skrillib. Wooloo. Or I think I got something. I saw a shine.
Did you?
Heli.
Tell me. Oh, another one. Dude, these are pretty cool.
Helitarpy
trainers.
and a Full Art.
Pikachu.
Altar Full Art Pikachu.
Sick.
And then, hey yo, we got a Hollow Corgi.
I like these Pikachus too.
Wait. And then Executor.
I don't know if we have to. These aren't that much. Alright, last pack of the ETB.
Yeah.
Do a little recap. We got a Pikachu, Simisar, V-Star. I don't know what this Voltrob is.
Voltorb.
Maybe something. Definitely the Charizard V. And this Zoroark V-Star. Crazy art. Pretty dope.
Alright. V-Star thingamajig. Digging Duo. Luxio. Lost Vacuum. Snorunt. Larvesta. 0 pulls out of today for me. Well, in this video.
Oh, babe.
Tangela.
Another Skyfair.
Oh yeah, I got 1 pull. Galarian Meowth or Reverse Digging Duo. And then Executor.
What's this?
What's this? It's a good card.
What?
Yo!
Radiant Eternatus.
Yeah, I think.
Cool ass art too. Check that out. And nothing. Dude. Alright, your outro.
Alright. Don Antonio signing out. Can you guys please smash the like button, press the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and share this with anybody in your family if you like this video. And also, guys, please say no in the comments for my dad's retirement because I really don't want him to. Alright, bye guys.